What it do, y'all? It's your boy Jay from Gateway Vending. We got a lot going today. Right now I'm heading to the package ship to drop off some mail. We're gonna go ahead and hit the bank after and then make a deposit real quick from a collection that I made earlier. Heading to the bank right now, and after that we're gonna go ahead and get the new product and inventory for the first account. Alright, we got the new products, and basically what we're gonna do is just replace some of the items with the new ones, and we're gonna go ahead and head towards the machine now. So right now I'm on location, and I'm basically setting myself up, getting my wagon out, setting that up, and I'm just getting my product ready. Like I said, I'm just replacing a lot of old items with new ones, so just making space and whatnot. Alright, we're at the machine now. We're gonna go ahead and replace that bulletin page on the front, and that's basically just a paper sleeve that I have. It has my business cards, an announcement page that can promote sales, and it has a suggestion and a concerns page that people can write on. So like I mentioned before, we're gonna go ahead and replace a lot of non-selling items, so I'm just going row by row, taking them out and putting a new product in. Alright, I'm making my way towards the candy row now. Just want to keep you guys updated on the second account. The machine for that will be installed this Saturday, so I'll be sure to get a lot of footage of that and make a video for that installation. I also got a bunch of uniforms coming in and a website that I'm going to launch soon, so looking forward to keep you guys updated on all that. And right here I tried putting a Nutri-Grain bar, but it slipped right through. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the tip that I got from Revamping Vending again. You probably seen me do it before. I basically get a product pusher and flip it backwards to hold the product in place. And that worked out pretty well for the bar, so pretty happy with that. And there you go, snacks are all done. Now we're gonna open up the fridge and work on the drinks. I decided to give my client a healthier option, so I went ahead and put some apple juice in there. And right now I'm just restocking the Mountain Dew, which is my best-selling item. Gonna go ahead and stock up on that Coke too, and then we're gonna replace that Sprite and the Sunkist with a can of Dry and a root beer. this final row right now, and all I gotta do is just add in the sun-kissed berry lemonade. Alright, we got done restocking and adding in the new product, and the machine is looking real nice, so let's go ahead and do the final touches and get out of here. And right now I'm just going through the display and fixing it, organizing it, basically adding in the new product and making sure they correspond with the machine. Here I'm just programming the new pricing. And I'm also going to test vend a couple items. Right here I realized that the product pusher was actually jamming up this item, so I went ahead and removed it and fixed up the item back, and it was working pretty well after that. Alright, we are finally done with this machine. I'm going to go ahead and close her up and lock her down and clean up my work area because we left a little mess. But I want to thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.